Replace NTA right now. Why students will suffer again and again? First it is happening with NEET candidate. Now it is happening with UGC NET candidate. How transparency problem is going on? How integrity problem is going on? What is this integrity issue? Before attending exam, before conducting exam, why the government is not checking this integrity issue? Why this problem is happening again with NTA? Again and again, and why you are not replacing this body? What is our problem? When government is busy with all the elections and everything, why government is not checking this? What is going on inside? How this problem is happening again and again, the transparency issue? So definitely something is going on there inside. So why you are not checking it? Who is responsible? Just now we need the replacement of NTA. NTA is the non-transparent agency. They are actually the non-transparent agency. Yesterday only UGC NET happened, conducted, and now you are cancelling this exam. NEET exam, all the things are going on. Then why you are not replacing the body NTA? It is completely non-transparent agency. We need replacement. First of all, replace NTA, conduct exam by any other body like UGC or whatever. That should be a transparent body. We will not accept NTA. Just replace it. We need replacement. You have to do something for us. You have to do it. It's too much. It's too much. You are responsible. The government, all the education minister, everyone is responsible for that. And you should replace NTA. And you have to promise that yes, there will be not that much issue. When students are suffering, when students are preparing for exam, and after preparing for exam, when the exam is again cancelled, how much pressure it is going on in students' mind, do you know? Are you able to understand that? If your election cancelled, then what you will do? For election, everything you are doing. You are spending lots of money for election, and lots of everything is going on for election. And for exam, there is nothing. There is no transparency. What is this? We need replacement. We need replacement for NTA. Just replace the NTA.